Painting is good for so many things. It's more than just about creating something beautiful. It's also a form of relaxation. It's about getting to know yourself. It's about finding things that you love. It can be about capturing your thoughts, your processes, feelings you don't want to share with the world, or even a memory. It's a way to freeze time, a way to let loose, experiment, and take you back to something special. It's about holding places dear to you or people. Maybe you lost someone and you paint a portrait of them. Or even that day you had the most amazing piece of fruit. You sat in a coffee shop, you painted whatever was around you. You connect with other people through art and new ideas. And it's the learning and being challenged that sometimes is more important than the art itself. I have been painting and creating my entire life. It is a central part of who I am. It is something that I always come back to no matter where I am. I crave to paint and I love to paint. My father and my gran were my biggest motivators when it came to my paintings. My gran especially loved the pictures that I would paint. She had one particular painting on her fridge that she kept for years. By the time she was old and I was older, that page was so buckled and yellow, but she kept on with it. She still cherished it. And at one point I asked her, why do you still have that? And she said, because she loves it. And it's something that makes me so happy when I see people love the paintings I've created. And that's why I create. I like to inspire others to be creative. I want to share creativity, and I want you to help you find yourself through art and painting. And no matter how the ideas look, every day you walk up to your paper, your canvas, or your sketchbook, you are strengthened through your practice, and your energy levels go up, and with time, they flow over into a beautiful thing. Each one of us is born to be creative, and we practice. Whether we want to be creative or we feel like we're not creative at all, we all discuss and share ideas. We express ourselves in all ways of creativity. And over the last few years, I've come to understand that being creative is a part of our destiny. Creating art is something that keeps us real, our expression. And whether we are doing it right, we are being who we really are when we show up to that canvas. It gives us a time to check out of the daily lives, the stresses. It helps us to relax. And when you stand back, the satisfaction of creating something makes your heart smile. So when I step back at the end of a day and I see your comments and your likes and your views, it helps me know that these videos are reaching you guys and that you enjoy watching them. And I love seeing you comment that my video helped you in some way. So one of the biggest hurdles that we all face is the mental block, the feeling stuck. It's that you don't have any good ideas, that you don't know how to start. But once you just show up and you put that first stripe down, you've done it. You don't even have to carry on for the day. It's just about the showing up. Even if you sit there and just mix up some paint and walk away again, you made art today. You did it. The creative process is messy and imperfect, and that's okay. And I love creating these videos for you guys, and I hope that they are inspiring you to create more paintings. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and watching these videos, and I'll see you tomorrow.